Hey, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid here at the Evidence Based Chiropractor, and I wanted to do a quick review of RockBlades Mohawk by Rocktape. So first of all, it comes in a great packaging. As you can see, this makes things easy to carry if you are a sports doc and on the sidelines, if you're going to a CrossFit gym, or just quite frankly, in your office. It's nice to keep everything in a convenient pouch. And as you probably know, Mohawk is a soft tissue instrument. It's pretty cool. So when we look at the tool itself, it's surgical stainless steel. It's got multiple of these dimples, so there's a lot of surfaces that you can utilize to get leverage as you're doing your soft tissue work. The tool itself is nicely weighted. It doesn't weigh too much, it doesn't weigh too little, and again, it's surgical stainless steel, so you know it's going to last. When you look at the edges, there's just nice edges throughout the entire tool. I know when I've utilized it, I love having the different angles of application because depending on if you're an extremity, let's say you're in a trap or a rhomboid, it's just nice to have different options with how you're getting in and really working that soft tissue. One of the other great things about the package that they put together is there's a nice spot for rock rub right there. So if you want any assistance with that, or obviously need to have any lubrication, so to speak, you can make sure you have that right there with rock rub right next door. Additionally, what they put together are a couple other attachments which really upgrade the tool in terms of how you can utilize it in your practice. There's a silicone sleeve that'll slide right over the top. Obviously, you can't miss this in terms of the color, but this really allows you to get in there on some of those tissues and provide some additional friction if you need it across the surface. So the silicone sleeve is a great tool as well. And from a nervous system or a lymphatic perspective, there's the ABS comb. So you can see this comb has a lot of these kind of nubs, so to speak, on the outside of it. This is something you want to be careful with. You're not going to want to dive in heavy on utilizing this tool, but as far as stimulation and light touch, it really provides a completely different experience than the silicone sleeve or than the tool by itself. So the package together, it's really great. I think it's priced right. It provides a fantastic tool for soft tissue on the go. And perhaps one of the best things they did with this entire package is if you flip all the way to the back, if you have a set of RockBlades, there's a spot for them right in the back. So your RockBlades, if you like those bigger tools that provide a little more meat on the bone compared to the Mohawk, they can be right there for you, ready and waiting, all in one package, which makes things exceptionally convenient, not only in your office, but certainly if you're a doc on the go. I have found myself leaning towards using Mohawk more than the RockBlades as I've got up and going, and I can tell you that even after just a few minutes of soft tissue work, this thing makes a huge difference in my thumbs, in my wrists, in my hands. So if you do a ton of soft tissue work in your office, this is a tool that I would highly recommend at least exploring. I think it's going to be something that's really going to save your upper extremities, your thumbs, your hands, your wrists, just by getting additional leverage and really utilizing a high quality tool to get in there and do your soft tissue work. So that's a short review of RockBlades Mohawk. Be sure to check that out, and I'll put a link below if you have not seen it on their website. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.